Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to our Pinyin series. Today we're talking about initials. Okay, last video we're talking about finals. So today we were talking about initials. Here is all the initials of Pinyin. So let's see it. So first line should be used with your lips. So this one, two lips touch together and open. Bo, bo. So you see, if I only pronounce initial, you cannot hear the sound very clearly. So in this situation, we need to ask our finals help. So here we use O, so you can hear the initials very clearly and loudly. So we see O, Bo, Bo. Yes, and this one, also two lips touch and open. Po, po. So where's the difference with bo and po? You see, both two lips touch and open. So in bo, just touch and open. Bo and po, you need to deep breath first and strong air flow out. Po, po. So if you put your hands before your mouth, you will feel like bo, bo, normal, and po, po, strong air flow out. If you put a tissue before your hand, before your mouth, you will look when you pronounce po, the tissue will fly. So po. So when you pronounce this one, deep breath first and hold, then open. Po. Good. And this one, more, more, more. Also two lips touch and slowly open. More. And this one, you need your help with your teeth. Four, four. If without all sounds, we just so use all. Four, four. Very good. So read one more time with me. Po, po, mo, po. Very good. Okay, let's see the second line. T, t, n, l. So same as po, po, mo, fo, we need to use final sound to help us to pronounce these four initials clear. T, t, n, l. We use the top of your tongue here to touch the roof of the mouth. So we say touch and lift. T, t, t. And this one, air flow out. T, t, t. Very good. So remember, deep breath and hold and air flow out. T. From your nose, n, n. And this one, l, l. You tone like this. L, l, l. Very good. Okay, so read one more time with me. T, t, n, l. Very good. And let's see the third line. G, k, h. G, k, h. So here we also use final help us to pronounce loud and clear. And g, k, h. We use the end of the tongue. So go back. So this one, g, g, and air flow out, k, k, h, h. Read after me, g, k, h. Very good. Now let's see this three line is very hard one. So here, this line also we use E sound help us to pronounce ji, qi, xi, loud and clear. So ji, qi, xi, we use the surface of your tongue to touch the behind of the upper teeth. So do like this. Touch and lift. Touch and lift. Use the surface of the tongue here to touch the back of the upper teeth. So do it. Touch, lift, touch, lift. So this one, touch, lift, G, G, touch and lift, pronounce E sound, G, and this one, L for out, Qi, Qi, touch, lift, Qi, Qi, and this one we need to pay attention. G and Qi both touch and lift, but C sound is almost but no touched. So we do like this. C, C. Okay, read it one more time with me. G, Qi, C, touch and lift. G, touch and lift plus L for out. T, no touch. C, very good. Okay, let's see this line. Here we need to use E also up. Okay, let's read this one. Z, C, S, Z, C, S. So we see Z, C, S. We use the top of the tongue here and to touch the back of your upper teeth. So that touch and lift, we do it. Touch, lift, touch, lift. And now we say Z, touch, lift, Z, touch, lift, and air flow out. T, T, T. Very good. And this one, no touch. Very close, but no touch. S, S. So you see, here you no touch. So let's a line make air out. S. Okay, read with me one more time. Z, C, S. Okay, let's go to the last line. These four also help with this E. Do you find these two lines very similar? This one we call the zhi, chi, shi, yi. So when you pronounce these four initials, we just remember roll up your tongue and use the top of tongue to touch the roof. So touch, lift, zhi, touch, lift, plus strong air flow out. Chi, no touch. Shi, and this one. A lot of students told the teacher, Sunny, this one is quite hard to pronounce. This one, how we pronounce R sound? We just pronounce shi. Do you find that shi is easy for you? We say shi. Very good. Let the air go out for a long time and then shake here. Shi, yi, shi. So, yi. So when you pronounce yi, you remember the throat here is shocked. So same pose as shi and then shake here. Okay, so read on one more time with me. Zhi, chi, shi, yi. Okay, if you see this, you will find one line we use the same position of the tongue or the same shape of the mouth. So like this, two lips, b, p, m, f. And this one, d, t, n, l. We both use the top of the tongue to touch the roof. D, t, n, l. And g, k, h. End of tongue. G, k, h. Surface of tongue. Ji, qi, xi. Top of tongue to touch the behind of the upper teeth. Z, c, s. Roll up your tongue and use the top of tongue to touch the roof. Zhi, chi, shi, yi. So remember like this, it will help you to know how to pronounce it. Now we see if you find this one in here. P, t, k, qi, c, chi. This both strong air flow out. So read one more time with me. P, Okay, so this is all the initials. Okay, end of the video, please read one more time with Teacher Sunny all the initials. Let's go. 波 坡 摸 包 的 特 呢 了 个 可 和 鸡 七 西 子 次 四 只 吃 shi, yu. Okay, did you got it? If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 再见。